Hello and welcome to another video for Blender beginners. What we're going to look at today is adding color to an object. We can see we've got a cube in our Blender window and it always starts off as this kind of weird gray, which actually is white. Let's get to it. If we move over to the side toolbar here, you're going to see something that's called the materials button. It looks like a little circle. Click on that. And you're always going to see like a sphere or a ball in the middle of this screen, and the word material tells you that this shape over here has got a color. In this case the color is white and the intensity, which is over here, is 0.8. That means it's 80% white. It means there's a little bit of gray in there. So if we were to turn this up, you can see that our object gets darker and lighter. Let's change the color. Click on the white and move the pointer to where you want the color to be. You can adjust absolutely everything to do with the color, its darkness and its lightness, what actual color it is, the shade of that color, and you can see that the object changes color. So that's a really fast way of making sure that your objects are the correct color. But what if you wanted to color part of the object or bits of an object? So let's go into edit mode. Let's go into face select mode over here, and what you're going to see is that we can select a face or two faces like so, and what we want to do is add a new material. Now, to do this, it's quite easy. We go over to the plus sign over here, click on it, a new material will show up, and what we're going to do is click on new, and we're going to add a color to this new material. Let's make this one red. You can see that nothing's really happened over here. That's because we haven't pressed the assign button. You can now see if I unselect this, as we rotate around, we can see that we've got two materials on this cube. We've got the blue one that we made and the red one that we made. Now, once you've made your materials, all you have to do is select part of an object or a whole object and simply click on a material and assign it, and you can change things like that. Now, one thing to note, if you're using a material like we're using the red one over here, and you've colored 5, 10, 1,000 objects with that red color, if you go back and then change the color, everything with that material will also change color. So that's one thing to note. So just to recap, to add a new material, you click on the plus sign over here, like so. You then click on new to add a material or a color to that material. You can choose what color you want to, and then of course you have to select the object or part of the object and click assign. Let's do that again, and you can see that our object has a green, a purple and a blue color kind of assigned to its different faces. And that's how you add color to an object.